Hi everybody, this is going to be just a quick tutorial today, or actually a review of this new paint palette that I got. And I'll be really honest, I was pretty excited about it. I love these little mini ones because I make up color sets for, like if I'm doing flamingos, I have a set of colors that I put in it. And so I was really excited about this because that's my thing. I like to do that. And I'm not too messed up about this, but the advertisement for this said transparent boxes. These aren't transparent. That's not a big deal. But still, I compared these to the Schmink half pans that I got, and you can see they are a lot different. They're smaller. I pay 78 cents a piece for these. So I thought that this was going to be a really great deal because this little palette was like $10 and something, and it came with these little pans. And that's not even much of a problem as far as I'm concerned, but I'm super disappointed in how they fit in here. And I'm just going to show you the difference between the two. This is one I've had this for a while. I got this from Blick, and you see right off that these tilt in a lot more. I've actually bent these in some, and the inside area here is taller. These are really nice. I mean, barely move. These little pans, and it's super annoying when you're painting if you're trying to, I mean, I don't want my pan bouncing around all the time like that. So for $10, I'm thinking I'll go ahead and keep it. But what I've done here is, just in case you decide to go ahead, I bent these in a little bit. Let's see the difference. And that still didn't work. So then I bent this piece in a little bit. And you just pop the pan in. You don't put it clear down in. You just kind of angle it there. And then you press down. And that's going to hold it tight enough that I'm going to be okay with it. But I'm not real happy about getting it, and it's just, you know, who wants to bend everything around and fiddle with it? And actually, you know, I chose this one because it's pink, it's so cute, and it actually had some fairly decent reviews. I had looked at another brand on there. I can't remember. This is on Amazon. I can't remember the name of it, but it had horrible reviews. Now, there is one thing with this palette that this hinge is not right. It hasn't been right ever since I got it. So, I mean, I think these are just like little inexpensive tins, and they don't put a whole lot of effort into it. But this actually doesn't lay flat like it should. So, you know, it's just kind of goes along with the program. I'm just looking here right now, and I can see that even this isn't attached properly. It's I don't know if you can see that, but it's on an angle. So I mean, I think you're just basically going to get what you pay for with these little tins like this, and I love them. I probably will eventually get another one because I like to just make up my own little color set for each piece of art that I do or series. And I guess that's it for today. And thank you for watching.